What's the meaning of coleopterist? Coleopterist. Coleopterist.
Coleopterist. Coleopterist. A coleopterist is a person who studies beetles, their behavior, ecology, and taxonomy. Coleopterists collect, classify, and identify different species of beetles. They study the physical characteristics, habitats, and distribution patterns of beetles, and their relationships with other organisms in the ecosystem. The discipline of coleopterology plays an important role in conservation efforts since many beetle species serve as indicators of environmental health. Coleopterists may work in museums, universities, or research institutions, and their findings contribute to our understanding of the natural world and the interconnections between species.